my name is Alisa. I am a mom of 3 little kids, and if you have little kids, you know that it can be so hard to keep their laundry looking nice and fresh. My youngest is 2, so she always has some kind of stain on her shirt, and my oldest is in baseball, so his baseball pants feel impossible to clean. So come along with me while I try to get rid of these stains and the real problem, these baseball stains. Let's see what we can do.
These are stubborn stains, so we're gonna be using 2 different methods: Truly Free's enzyme stain remover and stain stick. And then of course we'll wash it with the Truly Free laundry wash. First up, the stain stick. You get the stained area wet and then rub the stain stick on the stain until it lathers. Then you rinse the lather off and now it's ready to go in the wash. For the enzyme stain remover, you just get a small scoop and put it right in the washer. I was hopeful, but honestly not too optimistic. But look at these results. These were set in stains that had been washed over so many times, and look at how good these look. Okay, now for the shirt. I'm gonna go through the same process using the exact same products. I'm rubbing the stain stick in until I get that lather, and then I will rinse the lather off. Once that part is over, it is ready to go in the wash. The enzyme stain remover gets sprinkled in, and then the laundry wash will do its job. The stains are gone. This shirt looks so good.
I am blown away. Look at how good these pants look. See the shirt too. A little wrinkly, but you can see that the stains are gone. I am just so happy with these results. Truly Free stain fighting products like the enzyme stain remover, the stain stick, they work wonders. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more cleaning and laundry tips from Truly Free.